Hello everyone. This must be the fourth video I'm filming today, but I'm like, I need to film as much as I can because I really want to, and so that I can share it with you. This, I know for a fact that this is not going to look super neat at the end because they don't have a lot of products, but we're going to do our best. So let's begin. Okay. Let's try to even out everything. Okay. Let's face them like this for these ones. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, we have the extra large 352 giga pack, or we have the little ones like this. Let's put them like this. This is the bigger pack. This is the little one, 72, and here we have 120. Let's try to do 2 rows. Okay, like this. This here in the front. We have the orange one. You choose whichever you like. We have some more. This is 94% from vegetable origin, like the ingredients. Okay, this. Yeah, like the ones next to them. Here we have just some how do you call that? A baking soda. Okay, baking soda, yeah. This, just straighten it up a tiny bit. Let's pull these in the front. Try to put rows of 2. I don't know if that looks better, but we have the little ones, orange. Not many though. Either have the green ones. This is grapefruit. This brand as well. Here, the yellow one, lemon. These I'll put like this. So let's try to do the same on every single one. Okay. Have the green one, these flowers. Let's try to even out. And we have a bathroom cleaner, the pink one. Have the gigantic packs of lemon. These, where are they green? So yeah, I don't know. Suddenly there were a lot of people when for the past like 10 minutes when I was organizing another aisle, there was no one. It's always like that. It's when you don't want people to come that they come. But it's alright. I mean, they have the rights to come, right? So okay. We have La Croix like this. Okay. Let's even it out. Okay, I told you it wasn't going to be perfect, but we did our best here. And the sounds were amazing as well. I love the heavy crinkles. That's the type I like. And I actually wanted to organize the book aisle, but they put, because it's next to the TVs and phones, they put some music on blast for some reason, because I think they're trying to sell a some speaker. So yeah. Okay. Let's bring those up front. Okay. Struggling a bit. Purple one. Just those ones. This is the for mops. I think so. Yeah. Okay, that looks nice. I like it. We did a good job. Alright. Thank you for watching. It was nice. Let's just finish by evening out those here. And now that looks perfect. Kind of. Wait. Okay. Like this. Alright, now it looks good. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, night, evening, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.